What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve with Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video, you know what I'm saying, we had the aftermath of the earnings. You know, the market was, a little volatile day, a little choppy, but we finished decent today. Then, we had some after hours earnings. Apple did good, man. That's going to be good for my Apple call. So, we up like 271 today. And I'm going to show y'all my positions, and we're going to talk all about it. So first, we got the Palantir position. With the Palantir position today, we did like our final roll before earnings. Took a little risk off. All the cards I got left, I'm prepared for whatever happens going into earnings. So, if we miss because of this $110 million SARS payment, these short-dated calls, the ones that I'm up, like, how much percent I'm up on them? What? Yeah, these ones I'm up 9% on, they through. The ones that's like August gonna get hit. The January one gonna survive. I'm gonna add to it. That's my plan. If we don't miss, we finna get some money. But Patterson Energy, down on Patterson Energy, I'm thinking about possibly adding that to Oklo. QQQ put almost done, which is good. I got rid of all the quantum trades except for Rigetti and IonQ. It added some of my other positions. Serve I haven't added to yet, you know what I'm saying? SoFi is back at 50, so I'm glad SoFi is hanging in there. They had a good day today. They had like 1642 again. We got Symbiotic right here. We haven't added Symbiotic or Serve in a minute, but we're going to get back to it in a minute. It's just due to this dip, it's been just bigger and better stocks that we could really add to. It's hot, I'm in the house. Yeah. But yeah, it's just been bigger and better stocks we could add to. So, next we got, let's see, Tesla. So yeah, Tesla did decent, you know what I'm saying? After they had their earnings where they surprised everybody and went up anyway, they kind of struggled throughout the day. But, they at 400 right now. So, I'm not mad at it. I bought a little more today. We got 688 worth of Tesla so far. So, that's where we at with that. Got the uranium energy call still down. Got my SPY. I think I did add to the SPY today. Vistra Energy. I had that yesterday, I believe. Walmart, we up to a double Walmart. Let's see. We got NVIDIA here. They hung in pretty good. I bought another 5 worth of NVIDIA at like 120. They went back up to like 123. So, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. So, that's where we at with NVIDIA. Let's see. MicroStrategy, Mara, and iBit. We green on iBit. Still down on Mara and MicroStrategy. Waiting for them to turn them around. I'm still adding the iBit. You see, I'm up to 145 on iBit. Like I said, we're going to keep adding to that one like the SPY as well. Probably hold that for a long time. Microsoft was down today. The market was not playing with them about those earnings, man. They beat earnings, but they did not say what the street like, and the street let them know that today. So we down 5% on Microsoft. We'll probably be adding to it because in the long term, things will probably be good for Microsoft. So I'm not mad at that. Still down 5% on IonQ. Like I said, it's holding up the best. Robinhood, man. Robinhood is doing its thing. They done hit 53.36 as of time of this recording, man, and they is going. They just going, gone. My friend who got Robinhood calls, he's just balling out of control on that. So yeah, I'm happy for all the Robinhood shareholders, and we add to our position in Robinhood. We up 26% on that. Got the Grab right here. It's not doing nothing yet. We got Google. I think Google was up today. It's at 203 now, so we up on our little Google position. GEO about over with, man. I might have to buy a new GEO play. I'm doing some research, decide what we're gonna do with the next GEO play. Then I got Salesforce here. I think they were up today as well. Cameco, we still down on Cameco. Kava's starting to go. We up 16% on Kava so far. Broadcom bounced back as well, so we up 5% on Broadcom. They had a great day today. Still down on ARM. I need to add to it. Amazon flat. That's a new position. We got to add to it. AMD. AMD is hanging in there, man. We're going to probably add to it, but we're going to be a little cautious with AMD. The Apple call, man. So the Apple call is down, but Apple actually did pretty decent on earnings. iPhone sales came in slow, and China revenue came in slow, but whatever they said on earnings, the streets rewarding it, because as the time of this recording, it was up after hours. So we're going to see what happens. And Advanced Auto Parts, that one's down right now. So that's where we at with that. Let's look at some stocks. Let's look at a few stocks. We got Nvidia was up 0.7 today. Tesla did 2.87. Palantir was up 1.83 today. SoFi was up 2.81%. Let's see. QQQ was up 0.43. SPY was up 0.5. IonQ and the quantum trades was down, but not much. They actually starting to stabilize pretty well, actually. D-Wave was up. Maybe I shouldn't have sold that one yesterday, but oh well. Oklo did another 18%, so they at 42 now. So they just starting to do their thing as well. Bitcoin was down a little bit today. Like I say, Robinhood was up 3.6 today. So a lot of these stocks starting to catch a bid again. We had Meta doing 1.5% after those strong earnings. Yeah, things starting to catch a bid. Let's see. We got Uranium Energy up 1.2. GEO is up 0.38. Not enough of my call, though. You know what I'm saying? Advanced Auto Parts up 2.15. So, you know, call just glitching around. We really out the money. That's why it's doing that. And we got a year. So we're going to see what happened with Advanced Auto Parts. Let's look at some of these charts, man. So on NVIDIA, what happened today? Let's see. So yeah, on NVIDIA, oh, that's interesting. So we came all the way back down to the 200 EMA. I guess that's when I bought that 120. Yep. Yeah, I bought one at 120, right where that line was, huh? Yeah, so we came all the way back down to the 200 EMA in this order block. We bounced right back up, and we got a little bit more room to run until we run to some resistance at this either 126 or this 128 area. So we're going to see how it plays out. You know, if the macro stays in NVIDIA favor, they might be able to go and do their bounce back. So, you know, we'll see. We will see. Let's look at Palantir. Palantir was, yeah, they did pretty good today. So they bounced off that fair value gap from the other day. They continued their path. And we need to break this previous week's high up here. But after that, it's kind of smooth sailing. We don't got no order blocks or nothing up here. The high is weak. So like I said, it's all based on earnings. If earnings goes good, we up through there. If earnings go bad, we're probably going back down to the mid-60s, I'd say. And that's where I'd be loading up again if that happens. Same order block from last time. We probably go into it, they miss earnings. So last but not least, let's do the QQQ. And yeah, so the QQQ, we came into the this fair value gap here. And we tried to, we hanging in there, but they having a tough time with this fair value gap. We went up all the way to 526, rejected, came back down to 523. So I'm waiting to see what happens tomorrow with this. I can draw some trend lines. We got like some support if I drew like a horizontal trend line, but we'll see what happens tomorrow, man. You know, it's a late night video. I was actually out, you know, talking to some video people so I can get to giving y'all higher quality content. So that's why this video is a little late, but you know I gotta let y'all see every day to this portfolio. So, you know, that's where we at with it today. I'm gonna be back with more content. We got a lot of things in store. It's gonna be a lot more than just YOLO updates this year. And I appreciate everybody for rocking with me, everybody for supporting me. And I actually forgot to talk about IBM stock, man. IBM stock went on earnings. We made good money. I actually got a call in another account. So yeah, we doing our thing. It's your boy Steve from Pltr Investments. I'm gonna see y'all in that next video.